Hi guys, very good morning all of you. So today we are going to start our class, our first class for advanced auditing and professional ethics for CA final students. So I am very excited to start the batch. Are you excited to learn? So on the screen you can see our ICAI portal from where I am showing you the study material applicable for May 22 examination onwards. Okay, so what is the date today, guys? Can someone suggest me the date? 21/12. 21/12, 2021. So yesterday we have completed CA examinations and today we are starting a new batch. Okay, so CA final, advanced auditing and professional ethics. So I want you to have a new notebook, pen and ICAI study material. Notebook, pen and ICAI study material. Okay, so as per the request of the admin, use your original full name as profile name because the admin wants to track the attendance. Point number one. Keep your mobile in mute. Zoom call in mute. Keep your Zoom call in mute. Okay, otherwise it creates a lot of noise. Okay, off your camera preferably. I want you to off your camera, otherwise morning 6 o'clock we are starting the batch. In what shape you will sit, God only knows. Because I am lecturer, I am sitting like this. Okay, off your camera. Okay, please don't record this using screen recordings or any emulators or any type of device or software. Please don't record the class. Okay, it is strictly prohibited. Please don't record the class. You cannot use any of the softwares to record the class because this has lot of intellectual property issues, copyrights and all. If you miss the class, backup will be given, don't worry about it. If you miss the class, backup will be given. For that there will be no problem, so we'll give you backup, but you should not record it. Okay, please follow this and keep one notebook, pen and ICAI study material hard copy. Why hard copy? Because I'll ask you to underline and write so many references. For example, we'll be discussing something in SCA 240. Okay, from one standard, I'll say underline this and write down section 143 subsection 12. Okay, we'll be discussing something somewhere, in the professional ethics, there will be reference of some other area. So all topics are interconnected. That is the reason I strongly suggest you keep ICAI study material in your hand, physical copy. So many students will say, sir, I'll take the soft copy, but that will be very difficult for you. You cannot write down the notes. Okay, keep one notebook, pen and ICAI study material hard copy. And the class timings normally is morning 6 to 9. Few days we have evening 6 to 9 also. And already the, Danesh sir has given that printed one PDF in soft copy in the group. So I think the, timings of the class is very clear. Okay. So now shall we start? Put the heading contents. Contents. Prepare a table. Prepare a table. So if you have any doubt, please type it in the chat box. All of a sudden abruptly don't start your speaker and start speaking. Okay, just type something in the chat box. We have that on the dashboard, that chat is available. Whatever your doubt is, I will clarify and I will give you adequate time for interaction. Okay, for the benefit of the students who are not attending live class, we'll be recording this, so it should not disturb the process. That is the reason I am saying. Otherwise I do not have any problem if you speak. So serial number, chapter name. So in serial number we'll write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and on, so on and so on. What is chapter number 1? Auditing standards. Auditing standards. auditing standards. Okay, chapter 1, auditing standards. Chapter 2, audit planning, strategy and execution. Audit planning, strategy and execution. That is your chapter 2. Okay, so whoever newly joined the meeting, please rename your profile name as your full name registered. Okay, so you cannot use fancy names, you cannot use any nicknames, or you cannot use any artificial names. Or sometimes if you are not naming your device name could come, which is not allowed. Oppo, Vivo, iPhone, these are not allowed. Please use your name. So admin is requesting for that. So probably ma'am wants to track your attendance. So please cooperate. Okay. 3, risk assessment and internal control. Risk assessment and internal control. 4, special aspects of auditing in automated environment. Special aspects of auditing in automated environment. Then 5, company audit. Company audit. 6, audit reports. 7, audit committee and corporate governance. 7, audit committee and corporate governance. 8, audit of consolidated financial statements. Audit of consolidated financial statements. Audit of consolidated financial statements. Eighth one is audit of consolidated financial statements. 9 is audit of banks. 10 is audit of insurance companies. 10 is audit of insurance companies. Eleven is audit of NBFC. Non-banking finance companies. Audit of non-banking finance companies. 11. 12 is audit under fiscal loss. 12 is audit under fiscal loss. Then audit of PSUs. 13, audit of PSUs. Public sector undertakings. Audit of PSUs. 14, liabilities of auditor. 14, liabilities of auditor. 15, internal audit, management audit, operational audit. Internal audit, management audit and operational audit. 16, due diligence, investigation and forensic audit. Sounds very exciting now. Forensic audit. Due diligence, investigation and forensic audit. 17, peer review and quality review. 18, professional ethics. Professional ethics. So guys, just copy this table, then we'll continue. once you have done copying the table, in the chat box, type done, D-O-N-E from you represents that you are done with that. Very good. What about others? All of you, you are done with that? Super. Very good. Okay, now in the next line, write down weightage in ICAI main exam. Weightage in ICAI main exam. Again, prepare a table with 3 columns. You can write either section or part, and you can write weightage, and you can write chapters. So in section, write down 1, 2, 3, 4. Section 1 will be from 25 to 40% as per ICAI blueprint. In the blueprint given by ICAI, they said section 1 is for 25 to 40% of marks. That means major. Major, what are the chapters covered? Chapter 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. So above you have already written what is 1, what is 2, no? So from that 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 will come for 25 to 40 marks. That means what? Auditing standards, then audit planning, strategy and execution, risk assessment and internal control, special aspects in auditing, and they are not including company audit in this part. Audit report is included. So this is our section 1. Then write down section 2. Section 2 will be for 15 to 20% marks. 15 to 20% marks. So what are all included? 5. That means company audit is given here. 7. What is 7? Corporate governance, audit committee. 8. Audit of consolidated financial statements. Audit of is 8. Audit of consolidated financial statements. Let us see. Yes, audit of consolidated financial statements and liabilities of auditors. 14. Just check this. 5, 7, 8, 14 is 5 audit of limited companies. Okay, I'll check with the voice settings. So just check and let me know. Is 5 company audit, 7 corporate governance, audit committee and corporate governance, 8 consolidated financial statements audit, 14 auditors liability or liabilities of auditors. This is your part 2. Then let us go to part 3. Part 3 is from 15 to 30%. 15 to 30%. Okay, this is bank audit, insurance audit, NBFC. So 9, 10, 11. Correct? 9, 10, 11 and 12. 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is 9, 10, 11, 12. So check whether 9, 10, 11, 12, 9, 10, 11, 12 are audit of, banks, audit of insurance companies, audit of NBFCs, audit under fiscal laws. So check whether these 4 are audit of banks, insurance companies, NBFCs and what is the last one? Fiscal laws. Is that so? Correct. Then next part. Next part, 10 to 20%. 10 to 20%. Okay, 10 to 20%. It starts with audit of PSUs. Audit of PSUs 13, 15, 16, 17. 13, 15, 16, 17. Naveen, I'll see after completion of this table. I'll see that. Don't worry. Just give me 1 minute. Naveen, let me complete this table. Then we'll see that. I'll address it. Don't worry. So part 4 is 10 to 20%. And the topics are audit of PSUs, internal audit, management audit, operational audit, then due diligence, investigation, forensic audit, then peer review and quality review. Then finally our 5, what is 5? Professional ethics, 10 to 15%. Professional ethics means your chapter number 18. Okay. So copy this table. After copying the table in the chat box, type D-O-N-E, done, so that I understand that you copied. Then we'll continue. Superb. So you tell me, what is the most important area for the exam? It is ICI game, no? No, who said 18? Nothing. If, see, 18 is running into 100 plus pages, okay. So this 100 plus pages, if you are thorough with, the maximum marks you will get is only 10 to 15, no? Rather, see, many students, even in CA intermediate also, undue weight will be given for company audit 1. Undue weight will be given for company audit 1. I am not saying it is not important. It is important. Company audit 1 is definitely important. Appointment of auditor, removal of the auditor, and all that process, rights of the auditor, duties of the auditor, 139, 140, 141, 143, 144, prohibited services, 147. All these things are very important. I'm not saying it is not important. But don't you think at the end of the day, smartness is that audit of items of financial statements, vouching verification, audit of special entities, special audits, with this kind of small petty topics which are actually very easy, you can steal more marks, isn't it? Because they are not technical in nature. They are very simple to understand. Now the question is, do we have those kind of areas in our CA final? The answer is yes. We have very easy, very simple areas. For example, look here. This internal audit, management audit, operational audit, it is like that. Audit of PSU is like that. Liabilities of auditor is like that. Peer review, quality review is like that. Due diligence investigation is like that. Audit of NBFCs, audit of insurance companies is like that. Audit committee is like that. And 1, 2, 3 anyway, this is carry forward from CA intermediate, but still we'll see. We'll see thoroughly 1, 2, 3 areas also, but they are extension of your CA intermediate syllabus only. For example, if you are looking at, SA 200 or SA 220 or SQC1, there will be nothing new in CA final. Whatever you read in CA intermediate, that only will be here. But because you have not read thoroughly in CA inter, we have to do it one more time. That is a different story. But there are some areas which will be discussed in detail, much higher than that of CA intermediate level. For example, 7 series, 700, 701, 705, 706. So new dimensions you will see, which were not covered in CA intermediate, new dimensions will see. So just, in first part, I do not want to burden you with so much of technical details. This is my part 1. In my part 1, I just want you to know the contents, names of the chapters, how many chapters are there, what is the weightage from ICAI's main exam point of view. That's it, no burden, just I want you to understand this. So can we formally say that part 1, understanding the chapters, names of the chapters and weightage is successfully done? Can I say part 1 is successfully done? Then can we enter into the introduction?